Total Parts Pro, today with 2013 Kia Rio, stock number 7238. It's run from the 2011 to 2016. This is a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel tyre, left-hand door mirror, has paint fade. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel tyre. Rear tailgate 110. Right hand taillight. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel tyre. Right hand door mirror has paint fade. Right front guard. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,